Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long time. Yeah, it's been kind of a while. Really sorry about that. Initially it was just moving house was really busy, and then my old house was old flat was a mess. Then the new flat wasn't ready. Then I was ready and willing to film and ready to go, and then basically I had an allergic reaction to something and I still don't know what. Still there. I'm going to a doctor just in case it hasn't fully faded by next week. So yeah, that was really annoying, and that kind of thing just makes you, especially like, it makes you way too self-conscious to want to film on camera. Like, you don't want to film on camera if something like that happens because you just feel gross. And yeah, it was kind of, I don't know, I think it would feel better if I just knew what it was. It's just I just don't know what happened and what I reacted to or how to stop it or avoid it again. So wish me luck at the doctors. But yes, we have moved. Jamie and I have moved to a new apartment. It is still in very central Manchester. Just kind of like, instead of going one side out of the city, it's in another direction out of the center of the city. So far I love it so much more. It's just got a nicer shape, which feels more homey, makes furniture look like it makes more sense. Everyone likes it better. I like the coloring just a bit better, even though it's not that different to the old apartment. It's just a tiny bit more space and everything makes a huge difference in this apartment. And the staff in this building are so nice, and everyone who lives in this building just seems to be really nice, like holds the doors open for you. People offer to help us move our furniture in. Yeah, so far I'm loving it. They do have quite a lot of social events as well. I haven't gone to any yet. I might go to one later today. We will see how I feel. But yeah, what is going to happen is I am going to show you guys around my new house. I filmed those when we first moved in. That was when it was the very first day before we put any furniture in or anything. I've been kind of lucky actually. It's not raining right now. It's been raining on and off all over the place. Really hot, really sunny, really humid, really wet. On and off, all extremes at the minute. The summer is just literally unmanageable. I don't know at the start of the day what to wear, what to pack, whether to bring a raincoat, whether to bring a big coat, whether to bring umbrella, whether to bring sun cream, whether to bring both, just because it's going to change constantly. But it's kind of sunny outside, which means that I can film the apartment without you seeing all the rain. That's great. But yeah, we're just going to give you a little tour, and I keep calling it a house. It is a flat. So just come in over here. There's a little phone. You can let people in, I think, from the front door. And also the concierge can ring you there if he needs you for any reason, but it's not like a real phone. That's all you can do with it. Now, this is the kitchen. I love this kitchen so much better just because it's a corner kitchen instead of like that little kitchen that was only about this size and had like no counter space whatsoever. Now if we want a microwave, at least there's somewhere to put it, and there's also room to like prepare food. Yes, so let me just kind of show you around. I'm so proud of this shelf right now. I kind of need to get some more bits on it, and all the cups are in the dishwasher, but they all go in there. I just love this. It's so cute. This is just from IKEA, and I think this plant was from Asda. Then, as I love bees, and Manchester is the city of bees, I have loads of little bees on things around our house. So these are just from the old house where I have these little like tea, coffee things with bees on them, a little jar with a bee on it. This I got in like a furniture store in Manchester. It was kind of like, it's called HomeSense. It's like It's owned by TK Maxx. It's like a store that just does the home stuff for TK Maxx. And I love that, and I put loads of cookies in it, which Jamie has eaten, so there's none in it right now. Okay, yeah, so then there is the fridge. Not much different to the old house. Fridge, freezer. A sink which actually has space beside it for you to set stuff on either side, which is really useful because before our sink was like right against the wall. So when you had dirty dishes, there sometimes wasn't anywhere to put them. Like I don't mean like I don't build up dirty dishes over days, but like if you've just cooked and you have like 2 pans, like you're trying to shove them all in, just didn't work. And then yeah, just old stuff from the old house. Kettle. Jamie got one of these little, I don't even know what that's called. An Alexa with a screen. I don't know what that's called. Jamie got it for himself. I don't know what it does or how to do anything on it. But she flashes up interesting articles and she says, Alexa, tell me more about them. And no, don't do it right now. She's, no, not now. Yeah, she'll.
Wikipedia article on the menu. The Menu is a 2015 television series produced by Hong Kong Television Network.
Alexa,
the series is started.
Stop, please. She stopped. Okay. As I said, when you say those words, she'll go into the news story and tell you more about it, which is kind of cool. That's all I really know that she does. She also tells the time. The old coffee maker, my little planties. I had to move a lot of the plants around from the old house because the old house had like a massive windowsill. Don't have one of those anymore, so I have kind of like rearranged and moved them around. I still want to get really big plants. Hopefully we'll get some of those soon. Oven, just same old, just a lot more counter space than before, which is amazing. Also loads of storage. So if you can see, there's like a door here and a door here. These are both storage cupboards, which are just full of like all the stuff you don't want people to see. Like, so this one is mostly laundry, the Hoover, ironing board. This one is like suitcases, cleaning products. Like, it's great. The other house only had one, and it was quite hard to fit a lot in it. These are bigger and there's 2 of them. And then I'm making this right. We're gonna try and make the direction of the room seem more simple. So kitchen. Then on your other side, this is the guest bathroom and boiler. Can you see that? To be perfectly honest, there's 2 bedrooms in the flat and one is a master bedroom, one is a guest bedroom. We've actually taken the guest room because its bathroom is closed off, whereas the actual master bedroom's bathroom connects into the house, which we didn't think made sense because we were like, well, guests need to be able to access the guest bathroom from the middle of the house. So we swapped them around, but that means that now our bedroom has 1 wardrobe space in it and the guest room has the double wardrobe space, but we don't need it anyway. We don't have that much stuff. So yeah, then across from the kitchen is the living room. There we go. And there's like a huge window on all the walls of this house, which I love. It's nice and bright. Only problem is it gets really, really hot sometimes, but I love it. We're quite low here, but I actually quite like that because they showed us some of the very high up ones and they made me feel quite nauseous. You'll notice these used to be on our desks. The desk situation is completely changed, so these are kind of like in here now. I'm gonna try and get some more comfier chairs at some point eventually, and a new green sofa. So that's the main room. I need to still get lots of bits and pieces in the house. Like, it's nowhere near done. There's a lot of little things missing, like especially in the bedroom. You'll see there's actually a lot missing in the bedroom. Need things like lampshades, lamps, storage things, that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go into the actual guest bedroom, but the room that we're using as our master bedroom. So yeah, it just goes off and you can see it again, has the great big window into the garden. You're allowed pets in this building, so you can see little doggies running around outside. I think that is so cute. The bed, I need to get like some nice big cushions to set on there, but we'll sort that eventually. I also need some nightstand type things. Not out yet. Then, oh, I might need to turn the light on for this bit. It's maybe a bit dark. There we go. So yeah, beside the bedroom, there is a little wardrobe, built-in wardrobe bit. So as you'll see when I go in the other room, it has 2 of these spaces in it, which makes us think it's actually meant to be the master bedroom. But as I said, we thought it made more sense that our ensuite was cut off from the house and that the guest bathroom was actually connected to the house. Not that we really mind who uses what bathroom, just it made more sense. There's loads of storage up here, which we haven't really used yet in these little spaces. As I said, yeah, it's not that different to the old house. This is the ensuite then, which is a little bit messy, sorry. So it's got like a little towel rack. It is maybe about the same size as the bathroom in our old house, but at least the other bathroom is bigger. I see, this is me dressing for like the crazy summer / winter weather we're having, like. So we are going to head into the other room now. Oh, yeah, I like this room. As I said, I feel like this house has much brighter coloring. It does have actually white walls. The old house didn't. It had like grayish white walls. A lot more light, and just I like the color of the flooring. It's got some carpet in it as well in the bedroom and in both of the bedrooms, which is also really nice. The other house didn't have any carpet. So what we've done with the other bedroom is made it into an office / guest room. So this is mostly because Jamie works from home a lot. We were kind of confused as to where to put a desk, where to put his stuff. We wanted a bigger space so that we could put in a desk. Ooh, me just dropping that. But so we worked out that we just keep, this is our old sofa that becomes a sofa bed. Everyone says it's so comfortable, so that actually worked out well. We just figured we'd put it in the office, so you've kind of got this double use space. This is Jamie's desk. This is, again, a nice big window, and you can't really see into other people's rooms across the way, which was a big problem in our old house. You could literally see in the rooms that were opposite us. Here it's slightly like darker windows, so they gloss off more, so you can't really see other people as much, which is good. A little fan, which has been so necessary in this humidity. Jamie's whiteboard. So yeah, as I said, this is why we think this is the master bedroom, because it's got 2 of these, but yeah, we just like store extra stuff in here anyway. So this has got like some boxes from technology stuff in it, printer, which is, the printer is working, the scanner isn't, and I needed to be able to scan stuff I draw, and it's just not, which is great. There's also a weird green floaty thing. What is that? Is that on my camera, or is that on like my lens? What is that? Never mind, you probably can't see it. It might just be me going crazy. Shoes. These are just some spare shoes, and we keep the shoes we use every day in the bedroom. These are like smarter shoes. Then we keep all the big bulky coats and hoodies in here. Like, honestly, we don't own that much stuff. Lots of room for growing and buying lots of stuff, which I like. Ooh, that was not friendly. So then this is the other bathroom, which is, as you can see, a little bit bigger. It's got like a shower bath in it. It was so echoey. And then other than that, it's quite similar than the other bathroom. There's not really a, oh, whoa, that was so spooky. Oh, that freaked me out. Sorry, the door just pushed into me. What? Oh my gosh, I think there must be a slant here. Yeah, so another sink and toilet and a little flower, and yeah, that's all we've got so far. I do like it a lot more than the old house. So much more. Even just the fact that if Jamie is sitting working, he's in here and I'm in another room, like, it makes it feel so much bigger. Less chaotic when people come and stay, because they're kind of in one room, and the living room stays the living room and the kitchen. Is it raining again? I'm the worst vlogger ever. I literally forget to put the camera on myself. But I have a big haul video, which hopefully I'm going to film. Is this even focused on me? Oh yeah, it is. I'm blind. Great. I'm hoping to film the whole video sometime during the next week. I won't be able to film it this weekend as I have two of my friends from uni coming to stay. I'm sorry this is short and sweet and not that interesting. I definitely am happy to be vlogging again. I've been a lot happier in Manchester now. Like, I missed home a lot last year. Didn't really like the old building. It was always dark and dank and quiet, whereas this one is just lively and fun and friendly. And I don't know why, just the whole part of town has changed my entire feelings about coming home. And I feel like I've settled in Manchester enough. And I feel like I've just made some more friends, and I just feel a lot better in Manchester than I was last year. Last year I was pretty much ready to go home all of the time, and I still miss home and wish there was a way I could be at home, but this is good. And my sister Emily is in Leicester studying now, so she's going to come visit me, and she came, let's say, last month, and she's going to come and stay again. And also Bevan's going to come soon, so I'm just much happier, and I hope that shows. But guys, yeah, just leave me down below comments and suggestions of what you would like to see. We're gonna do a quick little OOTD. I think actually we didn't do that, mostly because I always worry when I wear this top that it makes my stomach stick out. But oh my gosh, my mirror is at such a bad height. Can you even see me? Oh, you can. So these are some Hollister jeans. I finally worked out what size I am. That's impressive. And then this is just a top that I've had for like a million years. Where is this from? I think it might have come from New Look originally. Let me just sit. And yeah, this is the same necklace I wear in literally every video ever. Let me just... Ooh, I've got it backwards. I wear this just about every single day, unless it doesn't match the line on the top. What do you call that? The neckline. Whoa, that was really close. But guys, I am gonna go now for sure. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will make sure to not leave so long between videos. And I say that every time, but I won't this time because I definitely want to film so much. So yeah, have a great weekend guys. Bye.